did you know you can add wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to your 2003 Accord without buying a new car? Let's see if this Android stereo really upgrades your drive. This 10.1-inch touchscreen runs Android 13 with 2 gigabytes of RAM and 46 gigabytes of storage. It's made for Accord 2003 to 2007. Supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and that split screen multitask mode. Music, maps, side by side. Backup at night? The 1080p AHD camera gives you a clear, wide view, switching automatically when you're in reverse. And with steering wheel control plus voice commands, you stay hands-free and focused. Setup takes time, but once installed, the screen is bright and fast. And the sound quality really surprised me. It really modernized an old Accord for way less than you expected. Would you upgrade your Accord with this setup?